Welcome to Poche Solutions. Thanks for choosing us as your preferred learning partner. Element 1. Why we should manage workplace health and safety. Learning objectives. 1.1 Discuss the moral, financial and legal reasons for managing health and safety in the workplace. 1.2 Explain how health and safety is regulated and the consequences of non-compliance. 1.3 Summarize the main health and safety duties of different groups of people at work. Explain how contractors should be selected, monitored and managed. 1.1 Morals and money. Definitions. Health. Generally we say it is absence of disease or illness. In detail. The protection of the bodies and minds of people from illness, resulting from the materials, processes or procedures used in the workplace. For example, exposure to hazardous chemical can result in physical ill health, asthma, verbal abuse or work-related stress can result in psychological ill health. Safety. The protection of people from physical injury. For example, working at height on an unprotected edge is unsafe, because there is a potential to fall from height, resulting in serious injury or death. Hence provision of safe working platform prevent physical injury is considered as safety. Welfare. The employer has to provide welfare facilities to the employees. It is a legal requirement. The welfare facilities includes washing and sanitation arrangements, the provision of drinking water, heating, lighting, accommodation for clothing, seating, when required by the work activity, eating and rest rooms. First aid arrangements are also considered as welfare facilities. Occupational ill health is concerned with those illnesses or physical and mental disorders that are either caused or triggered by workplace activities. Such conditions may be induced by the particular work activity of the individual or by activities of others in the workplace. The time interval between exposure and the onset of the illness may be short, e.g., asthma attacks, or long, e.g., deafness or cancer. Reasons for managing safely. Moral, legal, and financial. Let's see these reasons in detail. Moral reasons for managing health and safety. The employer owes a duty of care. It is morally unaccepted if an employee is suffering pain, physical disability or financial losses as part of their employment. The injured person may have serious impact on their personal or social life. The organization must do right things so that the worker return to home safely without any injury or ill health, which the family and society expects. The moral duty has turned into legal requirement. The cost is divided into direct and indirect cost. Direct costs are measurable, involves direct expenses to the organization. Indirect costs are often difficulty to quantify. These costs arises as a result of the event. Insured and uninsured costs. The employer can insure their employees, plant and machinery, against fire, flood, burglary and health. This is mandatory in many countries. The insurance company may void other expenses excluding those mentioned above. End of section 1.1.